And what's up guys, Andrew here. Just wanted to make a quick fun video showcasing the largest withdrawal on Nano-Miner. I can't confirm this, but scrolling through their withdrawal history here, it seems, oh no, that's my withdrawal history. Scrolling through their withdrawal history here, it seems that most people only get a couple hundred UXRB before withdrawing, and the highest that I've seen is around 6,000 UXRB. Currently, I'm sitting at about 13,000 UXRB, and looking at my Nano-Miner wallet here, most of my withdrawals have also been segmented around just a couple thousand. So this is going to be my largest withdrawal too. And searching through YouTube, I couldn't find anyone who had a larger withdrawal. So I'll just say this is officially the largest recorded withdrawal on Nano-Miner. So let's do this. Alright, with the referral as well, my total is going to be 13,661. That is going to be the number to beat for everyone out there. Alright, and the block is now in progress. We can see that I have received it here in Nano Wallet, and very soon it should be now pending a whole 13 cents of Nano, and there we go. It is now recorded 13,662 UXRB, the largest withdrawal on Nano-Miner history.